Hello everyone, this is Russell Carlin, and this is my week 3 review video. And for this week, the API that I'm using is, well, originally it was going to be Twitter, but as you can see this is not a Twitter app. I had a lot of issues with the Twitter API. You have to do a lot of authentication and logging in and all this, registering your app and all this stuff just to be able to do that. So last minute, about 2 hours ago, I decided I'm going to switch to a weather app. So I I still have all the the names and stuff I need to switch around. This is it's called add and read tweets. This package here, or the class here, and all this kind of stuff I need to change over. It's because it's using all of my Twitter stuff, because I actually built most of the code, but then I couldn't get the authentication to work, so I was just like, forget this. And so that's why we're here with the weather app. So it's just a it's just the Weather Underground and weather.com API. So, and I'm just getting forecasts for 3-day forecast here. You just put your zip in and then hit get forecast, and all this will pop up. This normally is not here, but I have it in so that when you click that for my local storage portion of the app, when you click that, it saves your zip code into the actual file system. And then at the beginning, when you first get the app running here, it tries to get that file, and if it does not get the file, then you haven't used it before, and then it just runs normally, and it gives you 2 errors because it actually does try to get the URL, but there's no zip in there, so it gives you a JSON error and everything. So the first time you'll get those 2 errors, which is normal, and then after that it'll always be no errors. So it just reads that, uses the file zip code so that it knows what zip code you have. And and then it gives you all this this scroll view of the day and the night of each day for 3 days. So pretty simple, and it has this chance precipitation, and then just a normal little saying what the high is, or partly cloudy and all that stuff. So pretty simple. And for this week, all the lessons and everything, and how Java is going. The lessons were no problem, just because we know coding, so they come really easy to us. It was, like I said, it was just the API for Twitter that had all the issues. That's why I had so many issues this week. I do like Java. It was my original thing that I wanted to do. Language, but then iOS came around with Objective-C, and I really like that. So they're pretty even on how I like them. So this week, like I said, all the lessons came easily. So I got everything. Well, I built this in like an hour and a half, 2 hours or so.